What's been a kind of an aha moment or a penny drop moment for all of you? Any of you? Westro, anything for you?
Well, I think mainly it's the old thing: feel the fear and do it anyway, and to find out that you can do it anyway.
Great.
And I think that's the
Yeah.
key thing of it all.
Yeah, Jennifer agrees with that, definitely. Mark?
Mine is the importance, my little light bulb moment is to get our points across and then let those moments, that message that we want to sink in before we move on to the next sentence, and how precious that is.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you. Christoph?
Big light bulb moment for me is that some of the stuff that I thought that I was saying really comprehensively, I've got feedback that that's not what I'm saying at all. And to have that ability to have feedback like that is like gold dust, really, because otherwise you just carry on prattling away and no one's understanding you.
Yeah, quite right. Quite right. You know, we all need those moments sometimes. Brilliant. And Jennifer says, not realizing I was standing up in front of you all and speaking naturally. And I think that's sort of, that actually
that's a big one.
was a big sort of moment of just speaking as yourself, speaking authentically.